It was Saturday, the 1st of November, last weekend, that we enjoyed a fantastic lunch at the ELGIN Open Gardens. It's a yearly event at the Houw area in the Western Cape, where we enjoyed a delightfully presented and generous portion lunch at the amazingly colourful home of Tessa Guman in the Houw Hoek hotel area. I thought I'd show you around. Just a short trip, a short fly around quickly before I do the proper video, which needs a bit more editing. But let this just serve as a taster and I'll get back to you again soon. We are now flying in from the Hermanus side along the N2 back into the Houw Hoek Valley here. If you would like to see more on this channel, please like and subscribe, and you will next week see more detail of the beautiful colourful gardens down there. It really was spectacular to see the spring flowers in the Houw.